In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Telegram link in Instagram bio. By the end, your Instagram profile will have a clean tappable link that takes people straight to your Telegram, making it easier for followers to connect with you in one tap. First, let's set up your Telegram link. Open the Telegram app and head to Settings. In the Account section, tap on Username. If you already have a username, great, you'll see it displayed here. If you don't, create one now. Choose something simple, recognizable, and available. Telegram usernames can include letters, numbers, and underscores. And they're public, which means anyone with the link can reach you. Once your username is set, look for the link shown under it. It will look like t.me/your username. That's your official Telegram link. Tap to copy it to your clipboard so it's ready to paste. Now switch over to Instagram. Go to your profile by tapping your profile picture. Tap Edit Profile, then find the section for links. Choose Add Link, and then tap the plus icon to add link. In the URL field, paste the Telegram link you just copied again. It should look like t.me/your username. For the title, you can optionally add something short and clear like Telegram, so visitors immediately know where the link leads. Keep it concise so it displays neatly on your profile. When everything looks good, tap Done to save. Your Telegram link is now part of your Instagram bio. To make sure it's working, view your profile as others would and tap the link. It should open Telegram and take you straight to your username. If it doesn't, double-check that you copied the full link and that there aren't any extra spaces or characters. A few quick tips to keep things smooth: if Instagram flags the link, wait a moment and try again, as brief glitches can happen. If you ever change your Telegram username, remember to repeat these steps so your Instagram link stays accurate. And if you want to highlight the link more prominently, keep your link title short and descriptive, and consider placing it above other external links so it's easier to spot. That's it. Thanks for watching.